Good morning, sojourners. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Well, I'm here relaxing and enjoying nature. Right now, I sit watching the squirrels playing in the trees. I am listening to the chirping sound of the birds at the feeder and the cackling sound of my chickens. In this video, I'll be talking a little about nature. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, Sojourners. This is your girl, Glitzy. Sojourners, did you know that nature never goes out of style? Yes, Sojourners, nature never goes out of style. Nature never goes out of style. It is a timeless reminder that the beauty, wisdom, and tranquility of the natural world are always in vogue. There is beauty everywhere. Nature's timeless inspiration lies in its natural beauty and stunning experiences. Whether it is through lush gardens, scenic landscapes, or the simplicity of fresh air and open skies, nature offers an enduring source of inspiration, peace, and well being. No matter how trends change, the elegance and resilience of nature remain unmatched. It encourages us to reconnect with the outdoors and embrace its everlasting charm. So, how can we experience nature? Well, we can experience nature by doing activities outdoor or just go for a walk and get to know the plants and animals. We could also get involved in gardening and grow flowers, vegetables, herbs, or native plants. Connecting with nature can improve your mental health and well being. So, sojourners, let's enjoy nature. Nature is all around us. Let's get out and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Thanks to my returning friends. Thanks to all those who are new to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe before you leave and click the bell so you will stay updated with future videos. Bye guys.